with the Mustang, are you sure? Woo!
And then it's leaving. The Mustang's going, I think. It's over there. Yeah, the Mustang's gone, it's leaving. I think it's gonna do one final full afterburner pass and then leave. The F-22. The Mustang's going, I think. It's all the way over there, and it's high. So, I think the F-22 is gonna do one full overhead pass and then we're done. Full afterburner, come on.
Should I film the full afterburner or take pictures?
Film it.